Hi guys, I hope you're doing great and amazing. So yes, if you found this reel, this message, then yes, you weren't meant to listen us. Okay, as the new moon renews itself in tender Cancer this 25th June 2025, so we are collectively invited to pause and emotionally recalibrate. Okay, Cancer, the zodiac's divine nurture, brings the theme of home, healing, intuition, and emotional protection in the sky. So the sun and the moon conjunct in Cancer is forming a fertile portal for emotional beginnings, ancestral healings, and sacred self nurturing. So with Saturn retrograde in Pisces and Neptune close by, the universe is asking you to build dreams with spiritual structure. You may feel more withdrawn or sensitive, but that's your soul whispering that, not weakness. Okay, so the new moon forms a sextile with Uranus in Taurus, nudging us to break the old comfort patterns and design a future grounded in authenticity. And yes, the tarot messages with the star card, the high priestess, the two of pentacles, and the death and the it is letting us with this new moon, this lunar reset is sacred. The star tells us that healing is not only possible, it is happening right now. So there's a sense of cosmic realignment where inner peace is found not by fixing the outer world, but by finding its stillness within, which is right now you are not understanding. The two of pentacles warns of emotional or financial juggling. You overcommitting, or losing your center is the question here. So it's time to say no more often and tend to what truly matters. The Queen of Cups here, okay, which is letting us know. So the Queen of Cups is letting us know that, you know it's reminding you to treat your emotional world like an altar. Honor your feelings, but don't drown in them. Death, the death card is letting also know that there is a rebirth happening, which is confirming an energetic ending. Whether it's a mindset connection or role, you are being rebirthed right now. The old self can't survive in this new energy. The high priestess here is letting us know that it is the closest. The high priestess is like, closes the reading with the knowing that your intuition is your superpower. Journal it, pray, sit in silence. Spirit is speaking to you right now. Your own spirit is speaking to you, and also the other divine spirit is guiding you right now. Okay, as per to the numerology vibe, 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 22, which has come to 4, which is Rahu. Okay, which is the master number. It is 22. So that this day of June 25, the master builder number is bringing cosmic support to manifest dreams into reality. But this only works if your dreams are soul level aligned, and it then reduces to 4, which is representing the foundation, home, and stability. So ask yourself, what kind of emotional foundation you am I building right now? This energy is calling for long term intentions and grounded and spiritual routines for you. So it's just that your ritual reminder is cleanse your emotional field. Take a salt bath, journaling, sobbing it out, whatever clears yours waters. Set intentions related to home, family, emotional security, and intuitive development. Say yes only to what feels like peace. Create a sacred space or altar with water, moonstone, and soft candlelight. Just affirm that I surrender to divine renewal. I trust trust the unseen. I'm safe to feel, to heal, and to become. Yes, I have done YouTube reading on this as well in the new moon messages, and it was the same message that was there, that you are not feeling trusted in the unseen. So, yes, this new moon marks the start of a deeper commitment to self respect and soul anchored living. So, you are not behind, divine energies are letting you know. You are being rerouted. Don't rush, flow with the cosmic waters. Okay, and you are being rerouted. Don't rush, just flow with the cosmic waters. Let this be quiet, sacred homecoming to your truest self. Okay, guys, do like and subscribe. Bye.